For this example, you have 4 equal to 8 to power of h minus 2. So you can see here in this one, exponent have different base number. One side is 4 and another side is 8. So how can you change 4 and 8 become to the same base number? You can remember 4 equal to 2 to power of 2 or 2 square. And about 8, it means 2 to power of 3. So you got 8 equal to 2 to power of 3. Other power number is h minus 2. So you got here. And after this step, you can see here you have two base number are equal. The left hand side have base number is 2 and the right hand side has base number is 2. So I'm just want to take the power number have to be equal together. Before doing that, I have to rewrite this one first. You got right hand side is 2 to power of 3 times open bracket h minus 2 close bracket, and the other side you got 2 to power of 2 or 2 square. So look at this, you have 2 in here, 2 in here, the base number have same value. This equation can be happen if you got the power number have to be the same. You got 2 equal to 3 times h negative 2, and then you have here 3h minus 6, and the other side you will got 8 and 3h in this position, and take divide, you got 3 over 8 over 3. That is the way how can you solve this exponential equation.